Hi collectors! Today we will unbox another Pop Mart collection, Baby Molly. Baby Molly is known for her cuteness and dog smirking. This collection, Baby Molly When I Was 3, has 12 designs and a secret Baby Molly. Let's see who we got. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and get that ding dong bell on. Let's see who we got. And we have Baby Molly Sing My Song with a cute microphone ready to serenade you all. Thanks for watching!